Hello everyone, it is Jen. I hope you're all having a beautiful day. So today's video is going to be my unbagging and review for my Ipsy for the month of March. I did use everything in the bag already because I wanted to do a review for you guys as well. Since I'm a little late getting my video posted. I did do a live stream where I unbagged it, but I know that those are sometimes hard to be able to sit all the way through. So I figured I'd go ahead and do a unbagging for you guys that weren't able to sit through my live stream and to see what I got. So I did get my 5 products and then my 3 add-ons. So I'm going to start with just the regular part of it. Now, I have my phone because the little card that came in it now looks like this. My dog got a hold of it and he ate it. So, unfortunately, I do not have the cute little card that came with this. But I do have everything on my phone, so I can really show you what it is. So, this one's bag looks like this. And it on it says off she went to change the world. It is actually a really super cute bag. I will probably end up giving it to my daughter, but it is like that rose gold look to it. I really do like it. It is super cute. So the first thing we have in here is this is the Lord and Berry eye pencil in the shade Supreme Green. I did not use that today because that just would not go with the eye look I have. But I did use it the other day, and it is actually pretty pigmented. It worked pretty well. That's what it looks like. It is a very, very, very smooth when it goes on, so it's not rough. It doesn't hurt your eyes when you put it on or anything like that. I really did like this, even though I don't generally do green. I did enjoy this one a lot. The next thing I got is the I Do Care Disco Kitten Illuminating Diamond Peel Off Mask. And this is what the box looks like. And I did use this once. I actually do really like it. And it does not hurt when it comes off. Like a lot of masks do, they will actually hurt when you peel them off. And this one does not do that. I really did like this one, and it did make my my face feel really soft for quite a while. And that's what it looks like. And then it just, once you obviously let it sit and let it dry, and it'll peel off. So it's kind of got like that pearl kind of finish to it. I have no idea if that's the right wording, but that's the wording we're going to use today. So, sorry guys, I'm trying to go kind of fast and get this done. I'm supposed to be cleaning my house. So, okay, the next thing we have is the Tarte Man-Eater Voluptuous Mascara. I did try this the other day. I don't mind it. It's not my favorite at all, but it's not the worst that I've tried either. So it's got that little style applicator on it. So I don't mind this. I would probably keep it as a backup, but it's probably not one that I would be purchasing the full size to it because I just don't like it that much, but it's good for a backup. All right, the next thing we have is this is the Real Her I Am Adaptable Matte Liquid Lipstick. So I'm actually wearing this right now. I love this color. It is really, really pretty. It is totally not on straight on my mouth at all whatsoever today, but that's all right. It is very, very pretty. Now the formula, though, it does dry down super, super fast. And I've worn it a couple of times. So that's kind of what it looks like, obviously closer up. I've worn it a couple of times. I really did like it. Like I said, the only thing is it does dry down very quickly. So when you're going to put it on, do it fast because otherwise it's going to dry down. I was not expecting it to dry down nearly as quickly as it did, but it doesn't go anywhere. It does stay on for eating and drinking and everything else. It does stay on. I actually had to scrub it off at the end of the day, like scrub it off. So it definitely does not go anywhere. All right, so the last regular thing that we have for this Ipsy bag is this SL Miss Glam short shader brush. I did use it, so it is dirty, but I really love the color, and it's sparkly and shiny, and it's pink, and I absolutely love pink. So I did use it. So I originally used it on my lower lash line. I don't like it for that. Just because I don't feel like it smokes the bottom lash line out the way that I want it to. I don't even know if that wording just made sense either, but we're gonna go for it, or go with it. So I didn't necessarily like it for that, but it did work really well shading kind of like this area up here if I wanted to just kind of make that a little less harsh, you know, and just kind of give it a little bit of a softer line. I did like it a lot for that. So I will definitely be using this, and we all know, if you watch my videos, that I am addicted to makeup brushes, and I have way more than I need. So, and that would be my phone. Okay, so that is everything for the regular Ipsy. Now I do have 3 add-ons that I got, and mine are, I got the Huda Beauty Mauve, I don't know how you say that word, Obsessions eyeshadow palette. It's got 9 little pans. I am wearing it today. Today I used this middle brown color here, and this red color here, this purple color here, and this shimmer shade, as well as this shimmer shade. So I really like this palette. I was able to get this as an add-on for $12, and these are usually, I think, like $25 in the store if you go to buy it. I think they're about $25, so I got this for $12. And I had seen these before, but I just never really had bought it. After using this one, I would definitely pay $23, $24, $25, whatever it was, for this palette. I really, really, really like these. It blends really, really smoothly, and it goes on really well. I do really like it, and it does stay there. I've worn it a few times. It does stay put. So I'm super excited to have this. My second add-on is I got the Ofra highlighter in Star Islands, and now I paid, I think it was like was it $3? It might have been $3 for this. I thought it was a travel size of it, to actually, so, or a sample size. So when I got it and it was full size, I was actually really surprised because I was not expecting it to come in a full size, but it did. And I do really, really like this highlighter. I used it today on underneath my brow there, so on my brow bone area, and the inner corner of my eye, as well as my highlight that I have on my my cheeks and stuff right here. So I do like Ofra's highlighters. So that is, yes, this is my second add-on. Now my third add-on is, not like I need it anymore, but of course they are makeup brushes. These are the Farrah makeup brushes. It came in a set of 5. They are they are dirty because I did use them. But so these, I looked, and these brushes retail for $50. Now when I first took these out of the package, I thought, no way. They're cute. They do have like this chrome plastic handle here, and then it says Farrah right here on all of the brushes. They're really lightweight and kind of felt a little, I mean, they felt a little cheaply made. I hate to say that, but, because I don't know if they are, but that's just kind of what they felt like a little bit. But they actually worked pretty good. They blended my eyeshadow effortlessly. They worked really, really well. I still probably would not pay $50 for them, but they did work a lot better than I had originally thought they would when I took them out of the package. So that is everything that I got for my Ipsy for the month of March. I'm hoping to get off the waiting list for the Ipsy Plus here pretty soon, sometime this century. And yes, that is my review of all of the products. I did actually really enjoy this month's bag. I really liked it a lot. So, I will see all of you guys next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so. If you have, thank you so very much, and I will see you all next time. Bye.